Hi everyone, I hope you all are fine and your studies are going well. So after releasing of online mock portal, as of now for CMA intermediate both group, lot many challenges are you can say facing by CMA students. So what will be the challenges faced by CMA student and what my suggestion to our mother institute CMA institute so that student can also get some relief for upcoming December 21 examination. You guys, first thing I want from you, you guys can also share your challenges or your suggestion to CMA institute, okay, in the comment section. So and I will also discuss in this video what will be the preparation strategy for upcoming December 21 examination for the remaining days. So first of all, we'll discuss about the challenges which are faced by CMA students. So first, how to write theory in online examination. We are habitual of writing theory in offline examination, but it is yes too difficult to write theory in, you can say that, in online examination. So I have heard in so many, you can say that seminars or you can say sessions, they said that you need to write that to the point or crux answer. Okay, institute not want from you to write long answers. To the point crux, you will get sufficient mark. So for theory you can do the same thing. And yes, CMA, please also understand, CMA institute is also considering your all challenges or issues, and definitely they will also release the, you can say, the guidelines or clarification for solving practical question or how to write theory. It is also more convenient, or you can say that beneficial for CMA students. And the major challenge is how to solve the practical question. Okay, whether we need to institute will give the uploading option for working notes or not. As of now, there is no uploading option for English medium students. So and solving all the working is not possible in online exam, in, you can say, the online mock portal. Okay, so if you can do one thing, either solve all the working in the rough sheet and major working in online mock portal, but what will be the step marking? Okay, it is also not possible. Institute cannot give step marking on the basis of adequate working. Okay, my suggestion to CMA institute can give one option. Uploading option means if you have solved working on rough sheet, so institute can give you the uploading option. Okay, you can upload the working and then students will get the step marking. So this is, you can say, this is my suggestion to CMA institute. You can also give me the comments in the comment section whether this will be a good suggestion or not. Okay, yes, most of the CMA fraternity or CMA teachers are supporting CMA student in this situation. Okay, and yes, a CMA student are saying that we need offline examination, but if we see the indication of CMA institute in various sessions, so they major focus on online examination. They are not thinking about offline examination. Okay, offline examination is also a good point if institute continue with the offline examination, so these kind of issues or problem will not faced by CMA students. But we can understand that yes, CMA institute is, you can say that, want to continue online examination. So yes, these are my suggestion. Uploading option can be given by CMA institute, so that step marking can be given by can be given to CMA students. Okay, so now what will be the okay, you can also share your you can say that you can also share your challenges faced by you. Okay, and what will be your suggestion to CMA institute. Now what will be the exam strategy for remaining days? Okay, we have to continue our study. Okay, I am accepting that it is not possible, we are qualified CMA, but it is not possible for you. Also we have qualified during the offline examination. If we face online examination, so we have to face such kind of issues. So but my suggestion to you, we also need to continue our study. So what will be the best strategy? My suggestion to you, you should practice again and again the 2 PDF set of MTP and number of online mock portal. You can practice as much as possible. Okay, this is not a single mock portal, online mock portal. Number of papers are available, you can solve as much as possible. Okay, and soon in couple of days we can expect for final or also for foundation. Okay, so first 2 set of MTP hard copy and then online mock portal as much as possible, and in the remaining days you have to solve MCQ booklet, workbook, and also the past year paper only for syllabus 2016. You need not to revise or again study from your study material. This is the time only to practice 2016 past year paper, MCQ booklet, workbook, 2 set of MTP and the online mock portal. If you practice, I can assure you that you can easily crack your examination with good mark. And from time to time, whenever I get the update or information, surely in this YouTube channel I will update. Okay, you can also share your suggestion in the comment section related with the upcoming suggestion for CMA institute and also the challenges which are faced by CMA institute students. But my suggestion to you, you should continue with your study. Okay, practice syllabus 2016 past year paper, MCQ booklet, workbook, and 2 set of MTP and online mock portal. Okay, if you and the, you can say that the clearing for your examination, the 40 mark, 20 mark MCQ and one liner or fill in the blank will play a major role to clear your CMA exam in upcoming December examination. So for this, MCQ booklet is available. If you practice MCQ booklet or MCQs from study material, and if you want, you can buy some other MCQ series, okay, like Sanket Pandit bhai are also providing the MCQ booklet series. If you want, you can buy, but my suggestion to you, the MCQs from CMA Institute book or MCQ booklet are more than sufficient to clear your examination with good mark. So these are in this video I'll discuss about the challenges and suggestion for CMA Institute and what will be the preparation strategy for upcoming days. Okay, if I am the CMA student either for foundation, intermediate and final, then definitely in this time period I'll major focus on solving MCQ booklet, workbook, syllabus 2016 past year paper, and also the two set of MTP and online mock portal as much as possible. And if you also follow this strategy, I can assure that you can easily crack your examination. Okay, so this is the challenges which are faced by CMA student. I will discuss in this video, and the preparation strategy CMA students can follow. So from my side, guys, that's all about in this video. And if you want some more clarification or you have any question you want from me, so in the comment section you can ask me. Definitely I will help you. From my side, guys, that's all about in this video. Bye, guys.